What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a quick update on Coti. What is a quick update? I mean, the price at this moment is almost at the same price areas as yesterday. Yesterday we had a bit of a drop, and like I said, we dropped down to that level around 19 and 17 and a half. Found strong support at the top. So purely technically, Coti at this moment is still very strong. Now, as most of you know, what I said yesterday is that I expected a bit more of a pullback, but then some stability and a continuation up to 30 cents. That's what I expected yesterday. Overall, I think the situation has changed a little bit. I would still say it's the most likely scenario, but then in that case, I do think that we'll see some more downwards movements and some more stability, some more ranging, some more consolidation. Because what you can see right now is that the open interest, while that went up, then the CVD also went up. So a lot of long positions were opened in this range between 15 and 24 cents. Well, that's a pretty big range overall, but let's assume it's around 20 cents. I don't think most of those positions will be closed at these levels, but what you can see is that slowly more and more positions have been closed at higher levels than that average price of about 19.5 or 20 cents. So that's profit. That's about 10% profit. So what could be the case is that those whales, which is probably who have bought in most of this Coti, that they're slowly selling off their position, which it doesn't look that likely. I mean, you can see that spot has been dropping down here and there. That's definitely true, but overall this has remained stable, and the CVD for futures has even gone up. But yeah, I mean, there's sometimes not that much value to be derived from that. Overall, you see the momentum dropping down. And that reminds me of the last time that Coti was this bullish. And what we saw then, so that was right here, the 9th of February, as most of you still remember. What happened then is that the same happened. Open interest dropped down slowly, but then we also saw that the CVD also started dropping down quite a bit. So I expect that to still come. But that does mean, because of those similarities and just in general because of the divergence we see right here, I don't expect a huge bullish breakout right now. The main resistance, I would say at this moment, is like 23.15 cents. I still think that eventually Coti can actually get up to that level at 30 cents. But for now, I think it's more likely that, we might even spike up to 25 cents. That would create a real divergence. But overall, I think it's most likely that we'll slowly drop down a bit from here, down to that level around 20 cents, but also ultimately down to 17 and 16 cents down here. Then from there, I think we can consolidate, slowly regain some momentum, and then eventually get up to 30 cents. But that's what I think is most likely right now. I mean, apart from that, you can also see some more bearish momentum from Bitcoin, which Coti is not that correlated with Bitcoin, so it's not that much of a problem. However, Bitcoin dominance is also going up, has put in a bottom, which usually after a bottom, not always, but usually we can see some sort of an increase, at least in Bitcoin dominance, which will affect Coti. So yeah, in general, I think it's most likely to really see some more bearish momentum here. And then when we have bearish momentum or when we have some bearish moves and there's no momentum, it's tough to hold those levels. And I assume, but I'm not too sure about that, I assume that there's also some more liquidity to the downside for Coti, which would also work as some sort of a magnet. Yeah, you can see there's quite a lot of liquidity from that level around 20 cents. So that initial drop is what I expect. Then we have dropped. There's no momentum to really back up some sort of a strong bullish move. So then we just drop down a bit more and consolidate. I think this is most likely, but I'll keep you updated on this. And just in general, keep an eye on that support resistance level. Like if we break above that level between 25 and 23.5 cents, it doesn't matter what I say. Then that's a major bullish breakout, and it's most likely we'll get up a bit more. But yeah, those are my thoughts. That's what I think for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.